Hi everyone, Matt and Carrie here from Mocha Vacations. We just thought we'd jump on here real quick and talk with you about the top 7 things we are so glad we brought on our most recent cruise. The number one top thing may surprise you. It has been a huge game changer for us. We're going to go ahead and link everything that we talk about in the description below, so definitely check them out if you're interested.
So yeah, coming in at number 7 is we have this magnetic hook. We have a pack of these. What's nice about it is it's magnetic, so it sticks to the metal wall of your cruise ship cabin. And then you can hang things like hats or your shirts, bathing suits, things like that. It can hold a fair amount of weight. It's just really nice for extra hooks. If you're in a cabin, sometimes there's not enough hooks for hanging things. So it's inexpensive and really handy.
Coming in at number 6 is our white noise machine. So if you've ever cruised or stayed in a hotel, you know that a lot of times you can hear people walking in the hallway, talking, doors closing, things like that. And it would wake us up a lot. So we're like, okay, we want to have something that's kind of like a white noise, like you'd have a fan at home. And this little cube does just that, does a great white noise throughout the whole night for us and makes it a lot easier for us to sleep.
So this next one is a fun one, and it's poopery. Kind of enough said, right? If you've ever seen the size of a cruise ship cabin, you're sharing a small bathroom. It's just nice couple squirts of this, and helps with your cabin mates when nature calls.
If you know, you know.
And then number 4, we have a water bottle, which you think, well, of course, yeah, water bottle, but this is a specific water bottle that we like because it not only does it keep our drinks very cold, it has this hook where we can hook to our carabiner, which we'll show you in a minute on our bag, but it's a wide mouth opening. This is really handy for when you have to refill this on a cruise ship because on all the cruise ships we've been on, we have yet to see a water bottle refill station. And they actually have signs saying don't refill your water bottles from the water stations, which are designed for the cups that they provide. So what we would do is we'll use the cup, fill that with water, and then pour it into this. And if you've ever tried to do that with a smallmouth water bottle, it makes a mess. So having the wide mouth water bottle makes refilling really handy and easy and also clean because you can just transfer the water easily from the cups.
Number 3 is one of my favorites, and that is a Kindle Paperwhite. I read this every single day. What is great about a Kindle Paperwhite is that the screen is really easy to read if you're out in the sun. So whether you're on the pool deck or you're at a port with a beach, you're going to be able to read this just like you would read a newspaper or a magazine or anything like that outside. It's really great. It holds thousands of books. And if you haven't used a Kindle before, you can adjust the font, you can adjust the size of the text. Seriously, you got to get one. They are wonderful.
Coming at number 2, which is specific, what we call our go bag that we bring in. For almost every type of excursion or just even just walking around the port, we like to bring this one because it's lightweight and it's easy to pack. Leave it on the ship. We'll take it even to, when we go hang out on the chases throughout the ship. We pretty much have this with us because it has good sized pouches in here. Also has a spot on the side for a water bottle. One thing that we like to add here is the carabiner because without this, the water bottle sometimes can slip out. And then the other thing we added, and this was something we saw, it's a little security hook that hooks the 2 zippers together. And the idea with this is to help prevent pickpockets from coming up and unzipping your bag while you have it on your back or you're looking at sights as you're going around. Just extra deterrence for that.
All right, and coming in at number 1 is memory foam. And you're probably thinking, what? That's right, you heard it right. It is memory foam. And I know it sounds crazy, but we went on a 10-day cruise once, and the beds were so hard that as the days went on, we were getting less and less restful sleep. So we started to get more tired, our bodies were hurting, and we're like, okay, there's got to be a solution to this. And that's when we came across memory foam that are twin size. And they are so easy to use. And it's been such a huge game changer for us. They just easily fit on your bed. You need 2 for a whole queen size. So if you have them apart, it's a twin size. We just fold them in half, roll them up really tight, and then we wrap them with moving plastic wrap. It is a 2-person job when we do this, and then squish up really tight, put it in a canvas bag, and we can fit 2 of them in a big suitcase, which is really great. We have taken these babies all over. We've taken them to Alaska, to the UK, all over the Caribbean. And it's been absolutely wonderful. And you don't just have to use them for the cruise ship, you can also use them in hotel rooms as well. So it's really upped our cruises even more to help us have restful sleep. So we're really enjoying the cruise even more. So those are the top 7 things that we're so thankful that we recently brought on our cruise. Drop in the comments if there's anything that you love bringing on a cruise that's a game changer for you. Definitely share with all of us. We love upping our cruise game too. We'll catch you on the next cruise.